we will take the text shape. It's a control design there. We have to make the changes by using the pictures. Apply the designs. Make similar shapes here. Make it on it. Keep the different pictures. I will repeat the similar process here. So that's a shape as well.